Alright, so this is just a quick comparison video between the Milwaukee M18 Surge and the Dewalt DCF 887 Impact. Supposed to be a lot quieter. Over here I've got the screws pre-put on so that I could just show you the difference in the sound of the two impacts. That's the Surge. I'm going to use the same bit with a Dewalt DCF 887. So definitely a lot louder. We're going to do another one. Let's do one up here. It sounds like the sound is cushioned. It does about the same. They're both not on max. This one's on 3 and this one is on 2. And that's not pulling the trigger all the way. So we'll do one more with the Surge. Yeah, so if you're looking for a quieter impact, the Surge is the quieter impact. This one I've been using for the last 10 years. It's tried and tested. It's my favorite. So, but yeah, quiet impact, loud impact. Quiet impact, loud impact. Thanks for watching.